Hi guys, welcome back to the LiteFinance Global YouTube channel. It's my pleasure to be with you again. Today it's time for another episode of Crypto News and Charts. Today more news than charts, but I think it's going to be worth to spend few minutes with us. Without further ado, let's jump straight into the video. Fantastic opportunity for all LiteFinance clients. New Year gifts from LiteFinance are waiting for the winners. 5 stages. The first one ending 22nd of January, and we are talking about the iPhone 15 Pro Max 1TB. Second stage January 24th, iPad Pro. The third stage ending January 26th, MacBook Pro 16. Fourth stage ending January 29th, 50 prices of 50 each. And fifth stage ending January 31st, 50 prices of $10 each. More details you will find in the link you can find below. Before we start, as usual, please like, subscribe if you haven't already. Leave your comment below. What do you think about the content we are providing, especially when it comes to the crypto news and charts? So it's time for another episode, and the race for Bitcoin spot ETF is heating up. That's one of the reasons most probably we are seeing positivity, we are seeing the breaking higher, but when it comes to the Bitcoin and Ethereum charts, I'm going to prepare separate video with the full chart analysis. As you can see, Pando asset joins the Bitcoin spot race, and that's the positivity. The race for the exchange traded fund in the US gained another contender this week. A Swiss asset management firm, Pando Asset AG, submitted an application to the Securities and Exchange Commission, so we are talking about the SEC here. Well, Pando is the 13th firm to throw his head in the ring, joining heavyweight competitors such as BlackRock and ARK Investment. So we are not slowing down. Bitcoin is going higher. It's worth to mention that lately in November, Michael Saylor's MicroStrategy increased their holding by 10%. Let's move further and let's jump into the news in regards to the Binance. That would be the boring episode if we wouldn't go and check what is going on with Binance. Some reminders that Binance is going to end the support for BUSD stablecoin in December. So Binance will stop supporting BUSD withdrawals on December 31st, and the remaining balance will be automatically converted to FD Another reminder that if you are within the EEA countries, then your Binance crypto card is going to stop working, if I'm not mistaken, around the 20th of the December. So also be very careful when it comes to this feature. Now, the drama when it comes to the Binance is still going on. We are going to check the chart of the BNB in a second. Cristiano Ronaldo faces $1 billion lawsuit over Binance ads. Okay, so footballer Cristiano Ronaldo is facing a class action lawsuit in the US over his promotion of Binance, the largest cryptocurrency exchange in the world. What we can learn on the BBC website, the BBC has contacted both Ronaldo Management Company and Binance for the comment. More you are going to be able to find exactly at the BBC website, and we are switching to BNB chart right now. If you do remember our previous episode, we went through the Binance chart after the announcement, after the CZ step down, strong rejection, and on one side we are still trying to hold the levels we discussed. 220. That's very positive. We also discussed that if we are going to break through, then if we agree that that was the consolidation, 50% of that, so something down towards 210 and psychological 200 could be the name of the game. So we are within the very strong possible demand zone, the whole zone 220, 200, but as you can see lately, with strong rally of the Bitcoin and Ethereum, well, there was an attempt to go higher, but we are leaving upper shadow here on a daily chart as of now, and that's what we have to take out in case the bulls are thinking about a further rally. So market has to close above 245, even better above psychological level of 250 to try to retest 270, the most recent high, and trying to move and push further up towards the levels close to 300. Again, as long as above 220, 200, that could be the case for bulls. Okay, over to the next news. Real world asset tokenization could be one of the biggest narrative when it comes to 2024. And if you do remember, previous year at the very beginning, I made my top picks, for example, when it comes to crypto. This year, at the very beginning of 2024, something towards the mid of the January, I'm going to prepare the separate video when it comes to the real world assets tokenization, but the news are flowing. French banking giant Societe Generale completed its first tokenized green bond issuance on the Ethereum network, as tokenization of real-world assets (RWA) is rising in demand among traditional financial institutions. So what we have to remember that, as we discussed previously quite a few times, there is a possibility to tokenize almost everything. Here we got the example of the bond tokenization, but we can tokenize real estate, we can tokenize plenty of different real world assets, and again, I truly believe that that's what we have to look for when it comes to 2024. So I'm going, as I mentioned, prepare the separate videos with more examples and the companies already being available on chain. The next one. That's going to be very positive news. Salvador's head of state, Nayib Bukele, recently announced that the nation's Bitcoin investment has turned profitable. Rebounding from the prolonged period of losses experienced during the majority of last year's crypto winter, Bukele revealed that the value of the country's cryptocurrency holdings has risen by $3.6 million based on the current Bitcoin exchange rates. Well, that's very interesting, that's very positive, showing the right direction. If we are trying to think about the countries, it's gonna be very interesting how the new Argentinian president is going to, I wouldn't say promises, but how is he going to follow his plan to introduce the Bitcoin blockchain nationally in Argentina. So definitely we are going to make the follow-up. So guys, positive news, we are on the rise. There is a chance we are going to see even higher levels, but as usual, please do your own research, do your own homework before risking real money. I strongly encourage you, make this homework, don't risk your real money. Wish you great next trading session, and well, let's meet again with the next crypto news and charts episode. Take care and goodbye.